What's up, PharMore Money family? Hey, hitting you guys with a bunch of videos today because, hey, this is the time to make your money, make wealth. The market's on a nice uptrend, nice rally going after the nice little sell-off last week, which was a great buying time. Obviously, with the whole GameStop drama that was going on, AMC, all the short squeezes happening, we're kind of finally past that. We can move on to bigger, better things and how the stock market has continued this rally as we move forward. One item I know I've been getting a lot of comments on is General Electric. Mark, can you make a video on it? PharMore Money, can you make a video on it? So today, here's the video. We're going to talk about General Electric and kind of the news that's out there that will help propel this stock into the stratosphere, right? We're going for the moon at this point. You're gonna have to have diamond hands for the stock, so make sure you hold and you continue to hold because I do think this stock is at a total sale and bargain, and this will have a nice run up ahead for many years to come, just based off some of the data out there right now. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks. So, PharMore Money family, GE released its earnings about 7 to 10 days ago, right? And the numbers that came out were absolutely mind blowing and awesome for the fact that even with the downturn that this company has had over the last year and a half, it was still able to produce solid numbers. So Jim Cramer, who, if you guys don't know who Jim Cramer is, he's a longtime investor. He's on CNBC, Mad Money host as well, right? He was quoted as saying, these are absolutely astounding numbers. It makes you feel like, wait a second, the market went up a lot. Maybe this stock should have as well. When he looks at GE, he thinks of it as Houdini, miraculous, incredible. Kramer said after GE delivered better than expected industrial free cash flow for the fourth quarter and a rosy outlook for this year, shares were jumping about maybe 5-6%, right? Revenue for quarter four of nearly $22 billion exceeded estimates, but per share earnings of 8 cents missed forecasts by just a penny. When you look at Raytheon and when you look at General Electric, has it occurred to you that nobody is flying and yet they're crushing it when it comes to aviation? The Mad Money host said, while noting that GE and Raytheon have undergone massive cost-cutting measures, including tens of thousands of job cuts. While orders in GE's beleaguered aviation unit fell 41% compared with a year ago, Kramer said he was encouraged that it was not down even more. If you adjust the baseline, it's surprising that they didn't have a dramatic fall off versus last year, which was an amazing quarter. So all in all, the free cash flow of GE is absolutely surprising to Kramer. And he also adds that GE's healthcare, wind, and hydrogen turbine businesses are also growing. All in all, Jim Cramer's, all into this stock. He loves it for the long term. I myself am into it. I will be buying more. It's at $11 right now. It's an absolute steal, guys. Speaking of its wind turbine and the energy sector of GE, right? GE is expanding its factory in France to house the Haliade X nacelle assembly line. Basically, it's going to be a wind turbine factory in France, right? So to accommodate the assembly of the turbines, they're going to be offshore wind turbines that will get transported elsewhere. But the wind turbine supplier has awarded a consortium of Vinci Construction to France's subsidiaries with a contract for the design and construction of the extension. So all in all, this is absolutely great news. This is showing that GE is looking to put its free cash flow to use to bring out better products. And energy, guys, is going to be a huge focus. I'm telling you this right now. This next decade and beyond, we are going to see just a massive run up in any of these energy stocks. General Electric, yeah, it's aviation, it's healthcare, it's everything. But guess what? Beyond more than that, they are looking more and more into how to invest into energy. And this is just one little baby step that they've taken along the way in many more steps that they'll take. So big news. They also unveiled its next generation wind turbine platform called the Haliade X. And then the wind turbine is basically, going to be manufactured in France. So very good news from that standpoint for us GE lovers and those that are sitting on the sidelines that are just looking in. Hey, there's going to be some massive run up in GE. So GE's energy sector, guys, is going to turn a positive segment in terms of margin here this year and going forward. They are actively looking at how to maneuver and make sure that they have positive profit margin. And to get to even break even here in 2021, The team has a great plan ahead of itself. They're looking at, pushing out products like wind turbines and how to use different facilities to power, right? There's a lot ahead for GE and its energy sector. And like I said, this news itself will help propel the stock, and especially with the Biden administration being so into the fact that clean energy and the environment, right, it's a huge priority right now. So stay tuned. There's going to be a ton coming out of GE over this next year to next decade. It's a stock that's a massive steal right now at $11. Once again, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just saying what I'm putting my money into, which is GE right now, and I will continue to hold, and I will continue to wait to watch it run up. Thanks so much. If you've enjoyed this video, if you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Turn on your notifications, as videos are going to continue to pour in as we move forward through 2021. This is going to be the road and journey to wealth and to just massive portfolio returns as we move forward. Thanks, everyone.